Hey everybody, it's your girl J.I. Ivonna from where? It's J. Alright, look, I don't know why I just did my TikTok intro. Anywho, listen, y'all see me, I probably look a mess, but it's okay. I just ran out to the store, like literally ran out to the store to just get like a few things for the house, right? And then, bling, okay, listen. My father, yeah, I'm putting you in it, daddy. I'm putting you in it. If y'all see me looking this way or whatever, it's because the camera, if you use a camera, you know the screen, the thing be like this way, but okay. But look, right? So I'm trying to get used to looking like to filming. Anywho, but look, right? So my father was like, I told him I was trying to do a prank on my best friend, right? Who coming over so we could work on his he's doing a voiceover for his gaming channel. Right? So I was like, say less. And I was like, So my father, we was in Walgreens picking up some paper towel and stuff, whatever. And I told him, I was telling him about some pranks or whatever. And then he was like, well, get some cookies and some dog cookies. I said, you know what? I actually saw that video, that prank done. Shout out to Doja and Nisha, Chef's Kiss. And I was like, I actually seen that done before on a few channels, but especially on their channel. And it was like, masterpiece. So I'm trying to do that now before he pull up. Trying to see why my camera kept cutting off. All right, bet. Cool. So I don't even know if y'all caught the. I bet. I don't even know if y'all saw when I showed y'all the difference between this size. So this is the dog, the doggy cookie versus the actual cookie. Yeah, I think he gonna tell. Like, could he tell? Probably not, right? Probably not. It's mad hard to get in. Like the heck? They made sure you can't open these. So free. But I'm gonna actually give these to my dog. Like, I ain't gonna waste them. So by the time I open all of these, bro, he gonna be like, I'm outside, bro. The heck? Whoa. He gonna be like, yo, these is stale, bro. No, they not. Yo, there's no way. This is a bone, bro. There's no way. Yeah, he can't eat this. Dang. That's literally like a bone. And he ain't gonna be able to eat that one. But we have backups. So he told me, get the backups. And they look like Oreos. Cause your girl is stupid. Your girl is smart. So I was like, yo, I hope you don't pay attention to to that part. So I was like, I bet. Let me see something. I bet. Cause if you just grab it, boom. Right? Boom. But maybe I should like disguise it, right? Or your girl could flip them. Boom. Your girl is smart, bro. Hold on, Loki's. Your girl's smart. Watch this. That's why you always keep plastic silverware in your house. So we're just gonna scrape this off of it. Boom, 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 boom. Here, Lodos. Here. Here, Momo. Take it. Go. Take that, right? Put that back in the middle. Boom. Make it real pretty, like. We don't take out the coffee then. Let's take out. Let's do that. Boom. That way. That way we could just flip that bad boy. Bam. Like so. I should flip all of it, right? That way. He'll never know, right? And get the cream out of the middle, right? And then put it on that side. Because I see how we got a dog bone right there? Nah, we covering that up. Covering that up. We gotta cover that up. Boom. See how we did that? We do that like that. And then bam, like that. Boom. Oh, here. There you go. That was a fail. And these are actually the size of the cookies. That's a one. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. All right, yeah, I'll be back when I finish all the cookies.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to go now in the few, okay?
Where are you now? Like you near 21st yet or no?
I'm around the corner.
Oh, all right.
All
right. I gotta hurry up because he's like down the street. I told him, I'm like, I ain't eat nothing yet. I didn't, but I was like, I've been tearing up these Christmas cookies. I had 2 Christmas cookies, real cookies. He gonna kick. I'm gonna do 2 more. I said, you like Christmas cookies? He's like, yeah, I'm fat, y'all. Might not be up this one. My dog's like them. Where my dog at? I'm sorry. Just like the ones I used to know.
You taking a picture?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Because my father had gave me these. Stop fighting. My father had gave me. No, they fighting over that tree. My father had gave me, I think from his job.
I don't got no tree for you, nigga.
Yeah, my father gave me these from his job, and I was like, they so pretty. Like, I was tearing them up. They started melting because the heat in the car.
Yeah, my blood sugar 82, so I'm doing good right now, but the drop.
Just like the ones I used to know.
Not a baby.
Greedy, all in my cookies. I had, which one I was tearing them up. I had the thin one.
Aren't they all thin?
Nah, it's a really thin one. It's like a chip.
That one with the white frosting on them?
Nah, it's probably in the box. It's real thin. And I had the Oreo one.
So what you eating for dinner?
I don't know yet.
And I'm about to order me some chicken wings. I'm broke.
Get out the let's see, whatever one she picked, you gotta eat. Don't let her touch it though, but
She ain't worried about it.
She do not care. She know they cookies though. Greedy butt.
Heart beating fast.
She hyper. Oh, that was a cute picture. I'm just learning the camera. That's why other phone.
An iPhone? You ain't been messing with it?
I've been messing with it, but because it's the new one, I like the cinematic on it.
I feel like y'all starting to look more alike now.
They are.
This is peanut butter inside there or something.
It's like a mint Oreo, but it's busting. I was tearing them up.
You press play or did that?
No, I muted it.
No, because it wasn't. What's the name?
No, I don't know. I didn't do nothing.
I'm ready to order something. I don't know what.
They be drinking all hard. Like,
I forgot they chicken wings good around the corner.
where? Chinese store? Yeah.
You just like the menu or no?
Mm-mm.
How much they?
I ain't gonna lie, you look popping on the camera though. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. Like, it looked like you was doing a commercial, like taste testing food.
I knew you was recording me.
No, but I'm not talking about that part. I wasn't even focused on that. I was looking at like the way it looks. I'm looking at the quality.
I'm trying to see when I'm listening. I'm gonna upgrade my phone.
Which one was better so far? Because I don't know which one I want next.
What?
What cookie I want. Let's see.
But this flat one had tastes like London cookies.
So far, I think these is the best ones.
And that's the first one I had.
You like these one?
It was alright.
That one hitting.
I don't eat anything with chocolate.
That one busting.
That one right there.
Whatever one you just had was smacking that.
Try that one.
Let
me see. Turn around.
I had one of these. I threw it out.
Why?
I didn't like it. I ate half of it and threw it out.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't like it.
I think that's the one I just had.
I think I had like 2 of them Oreo ones.
Yeah, it tastes like a Keebler cookie.
You think so? Not to me. It tastes like cranberry a little bit and sweet potato.
Nah, this one just tastes like straight up chocolate. Maybe because something melted on there or something.
Maybe because I was reading it and it said that some of these got like, see, that one had coconut in it. See? So all of them have different things. These have, I think, cranberry, because it's for the holidays, cranberry and sweet potato, I think.
Mm-hmm.
That's probably why I liked it. That's why. That's why. That's why.
I feel like some of them, like if you go look, come here. Come here, Nick. Chipotle, sweet and spicy. It ain't broke, no. You can't fix it.
Can't wait to get the new furniture in the new year. I can't say. We've been friends for 10 years. If we pick the same cookie, he got Chucky on his t-shirt. Chucky on his t-shirt. He be putting in that work. That's some cookies. That's what happened. Sugar stuff.
I don't want the bonus one.
No sugar. Ain't even that sugar. Woof woof. And woof woofs make you do that. Lala say woof woof. Woof woof. No. Woof woof. Woof woof. Woof woof.
Caramel apple cheesecake.
That sounds good, I ain't gonna lie. Woof woof. One of y'all pooted. Somebody pooted in you. Lolo, you pooted.
What the hell?
Somebody pooted. Alright? Don't look at me. You pooted. Somebody pooted. It wasn't me. Why are you looking at me like that? Lolo's looking at you like. I'm gonna give you another treat, sticky butt.
See, I don't know what the hell is weird. So yeah, I just got 4 sandwiches. Got 2 ghost peppers and 1 regular. I mean, 2 regular. I use that card when I order my food.
Shout out to Dolce and Nisha, they on my TV right now. I got so much energy, y'all. I gotta put it somewhere.
Huh? Stop!
Stop it.
Scratching a hole in my leg. What? I can't give you one.
It's foolish. I'm gonna stink them.
That's probably you.
Hey, me?
'Cause
I don't smell like that.
I don't smell nothing. Being booty, that's why you smell it.
Where were you tonight, a questioner? You done? You done? I ate too many of them before you came. I can't remember. Now make it count. That's your favorite one, then.
Mm-hmm.
That's your favorite one.
Nope, that's not even it though. Like a stiff piece of beef jerky. I'm done.
All right, little dang. You can. All right, you can have one.
But she really look like Al Roker.
Here.
Can't got chocolate on it.
What's on chocolate?
What's in the middle?
Mint.
Mint chocolate?
Mm-hmm.
Chocolate chip mint?
Mm-hmm.
You did all of that while things on camera, camera rolling too.
I'm gonna give him another. Brother, you want another treat? All right. This why while he was pooping, they had his holiday one. You want one too? It's not chocolate chip mint, guys. Don't believe him. I ain't killing my baby.
It ain't a dog biscuit.
They can have one.
I gave him someone earlier.
Mm-hmm. See? I was eating them. What was that?
Your dog.
You good, man?
That's what's in there?
Yeah, I was eating them. It was good.
A dog biscuit?
You clearly see it. We both ate it. We still alive. It's made with human products.
It's not a dog biscuit.
Yes, it is.
You know what I'm saying? No.
How you know?
Because one, it looked totally different.
Bookie meats. How they look different? It's the same thing. Because I ate it, you don't believe me? It's the same thing.
Because why would you put that in a thing full of regular cookies?
Because it's cookies.
Eat one right now.
I ate one.
No, you don't really.
I already ate one.
Exactly.
I ate too many of them.
Mm-hmm. So you don't need a sandwich then. Popeyes.
This is snacks.
Mm-hmm. You had enough before.
Oh, snack?
Yeah. You ruined.
Well, then you full too.
I ain't say I was full. I stopped because I said I got diabetes.
But they was good, right?
Yes, sure.
I don't know why you don't believe me. You think I'm playing?
I know you are.
What's the difference?
One is for dogs, one is for humans.
They made with the same stuff. I read the back of it. It's okay for human consumption. That's why I ate it.
Mm-hmm.
You know, look. Same exact thing.
No.
Yes, it is. Open it and look at.
Open it and look at it.
Look. Look.
It look like you ate it already.
Look.
This might lick that off.
Wait. Look. You don't see it?
Nope.
Look at it. Examine.
I'm looking at it.
You don't see the dog's bone? Huh?
The dog bone?
The symbol?
Nope.
Just say Team J.I. Janelle. It was nasty.
Nah, I better not eat no fucking dog biscuit.
Stop. I made sure it was safe for human consumption.
Nah, I better not eat no fucking dog biscuit.
It was nasty.
Nah, I better not eat no fucking dog biscuit.
Stop. I made sure it was safe for human consumption. I wouldn't do nothing to kill you. I promise everything in there is good for humans. You don't believe me? Why did I give it to them? It's theirs. Blame my father. He the one did it. Don't do. Oh.
Yeah.
Daddy. Tell Ty. Tell Ty. He was like, he said, Nate, I better not eat no dog. Because he ate one and then he was tearing the rest of the cookies up, and it was like it ain't phased him, so I had to tell, because I gave two to the dogs, and he was like, you can't get that to them, it's not safe. And I was like, it is safe. I gave it to them earlier because he didn't taste so different. So
No, I had a regular cookie. I had like 2, 3 regular.
it's his fault. Don't be mad at me. It's his. It's his fault. It's safe for humans though. I'll check. I know he's gonna get me back. Call me on video, Daddy. Call me on video real fast. What? Here, answer. Cause I flipped them inside out and they look just like a regular Oreo. He
He gonna get you back.
I know he gonna get me.
No, no.
Yes, you are.
I told you I don't do the pranks. I stopped doing the pranks.
He is upset. He was like, "Man, you ain't make me eat no dog."
You gonna get into the hot sauce.
Nah, he gonna get me. I just don't know when. Cause I had it like I flipped them. So it looked like this. You mad? You mad at me?
He's gonna get it back. You gotta listen what you gotta do.
I already know. I was trying to give him hints, but he just wasn't catching on. And he didn't even realize that Lola was begging.
Lola was begging for a cookie.
Say, hey. He made me do it, guys. Him. He was in on it. It wasn't me. He said it. So don't run down. Don't run from the camera. Him. See that guy? My father? He was in on it.
Nah, don't try.
He was in on it, guys. I promise. All right.
Alright, just allow.
Okay. All right. I'm out. You gonna say team Janae?
No.
You mad at me? Huh? Everything in there is healthy. It's cranberry, sweet potato, vitamins. I checked it all out before I did that. You think I would put you in danger?
No, but still, like, nah.
Do me a favor and say Team Janae.
Team Janae.
Y'all see him? But y'all heard him. He said Team Janae. He said it. He said it. He said it. As my dog is over here whining. All right, I'm out of here.